Welcome to a short introduction to our e-learning Industry 4.0. If you are a manufacturer or professional wishing to acquire the basic skill sets of Industry 4.0, this online training is the perfect tool for you. The course covers the approach to implement smart factory concepts supporting digital transformation, and one of the most adopted frameworks to structure a company's digital growth in this area, the Smart Industry Readiness Index. You will understand the three main key processes in Industry 4.0, its design principles, and key technologies for a smart factory. The course employs a variety of training tools such as content-embedded assessment, animations, and other interactive exercises to enhance instructional delivery. Just like with every e-learning, you can take the course at any time you like, even multiple times or in multiple sessions, allowing you to learn conveniently and at your own pace.